Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to create a folder on Google Drive using your mobile phone. Backing up your files means storing them safely in case your device gets lost or damaged. Let's get started and keep your files organized and secure. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap the plus icon. Then, from the options that appear, tap on Folder. After that, enter a name for your new folder. Finally, tap Create to finish. To find your folder, simply tap on the Files icon at the bottom right. There you will see all your files and folders neatly organized. That's all for today. Creating folders helps you stay organized and makes your Google Drive easier to navigate. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this one.